Once a lead replies and shows interest, it's time to move from prospecting to closing. Here is how to manage deals end to end in Folk. Begin by creating a deals pipeline that reflects your sales process. For example, first meeting, follow up, contact sent, and closed one. Each deal represents a real opportunity, so you always know exactly where things stand. As the deal progresses, Folk automatically tracks interactions across email, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp. Many conversations naturally move to WhatsApp once a relationship becomes more personal, and that's all captured too. Before a call or a follow up, use the recap assistant to instantly get up to speed on what was discussed and what's next. After each meeting, add notes directly to the deal so nothing gets lost. If you already use a note taking tool, you can also connect it via the API to sync notes automatically. As the opportunity becomes clearer, enrich the deal with key information like contract value, conversion probability, and expected closing date. Folk uses this to calculate a weighted contract value, giving you a clearer view of your forecast. If a deal isn't closing right away, you can set a reminder, but you don't have to rely on manual tracking. The follow up assistant scans your inbox and WhatsApp every day, suggests who you should follow up with, and even drafts messages for you. And once a deal is marked closed won, you can automatically trigger follow up actions using the workflow assistant. For example, you can send a congratulations email and ask for invoicing details without lifting a finger. And finally, bring it all together with dashboards that show, for example, leads per week, leads by AE, leads by industry, deals by stage, and lost reasons. This gives you a clear, real time view of your pipeline and performance. And that's how you can manage deals end to end in Folk, from first reply to closed one. With all your deals, conversations, and follow ups in one place, you can focus on closing more without losing track of anything.